So Henry, prediction number 2. We've seen the growth of white label ETF platforms in Europe over the last number of years. We're predicting the assets under management on those platforms to rise from $5.6 billion to over $11 billion in 2026, nearly 100% growth. What's driving this?
I think the growth is in step with ETFs more broadly, the number of new entrants to the ETF market in UCITS, also the number of active managers that are converting or launching mutual funds from their existing stables. So there's a whole bunch of entrants looking to get into the ETF market. The white label solution is perfect for a number of managers in terms of that plug and play nature of the white label ETF, the speed to market, the existing infrastructure that's there to service managers entering the ETF market. It works perfectly for someone looking to dip their toe into the market, perhaps launch 1 or 2 products. For those looking to bring a suite to market, we see a lot of scale managers looking more at what we call a standalone solution, which is essentially they have a bit more optionality that isn't available on the white label. But it boils down to what you're looking to achieve from a distribution standpoint. Are you looking to launch 1 to 2, as I say, dipping the toe in, or is that a suite of products? So that's a decision a lot of managers wrestle with, but that white label fits perfectly for a number of managers. Historically, people have looked at white labels in both the US and in Europe as more of an option for boutiques. We've been surprised with the scale of some of the managers that are looking at the white label as a perfect solution for them to get to market, at least to start with, and then look at their options once they've got ETFs out the door. So a lot of options for different investment managers coming to market. Also, I think we're going to see a growth in other white label platforms coming to market. We've seen that at the tail end of last year, a number of new entrants coming to the market, which is good for the wider market in terms of optionality.